Welcome to our exploration of Somalia's history, a land of shared ethnicity, religion, and language, yet torn by clan divisions rooted in its colonial past. In 1960, Somalia united under democracy, but this ended abruptly in 1969 when Siad Barre seized power in a bloodless coup. Initially popular, Barre's regime manipulated clan identities, fostering tension and violence. The regime's true nature emerged in the late 1970s and 80s, especially following a failed war against Ethiopia in 1977. The aftermath saw Barre retaliate against dissent, notably against the Majeerteen clan, leading to approximately 2,000 civilian deaths. The 1980s also saw opposition groups rise, notably the Somali National Movement from the marginalized Isaac clan. The state's brutal response included widespread detentions, looting, and hastily conducted military trials. Confidential reports even hint at a governmental plan to liquidate the Isaac clan. In our next episode, we'll delve deeper into these opposition movements and their impact on Somalia. Stay tuned.